Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing this. I have to say, I have recently discovered Fendi and I love them. Let's get right into the video. So I'm just going to show you the bag. Oh my goodness. Isn't she gorgeous? So this is quite a big bag. I think this is the 35 centimeter. It's the Peekaboo, actual Peekaboo Iconic it's called. And this is the classic Peekaboo with the line here. It also has the really full construction on the inside, which I'll show you guys in a minute. The handle is quite thick, okay, and tapers to a thin down the bottom here. And then the strap is also beautiful and thick, which is going to be great when you're carrying this crossbody so it doesn't dig into your shoulder. These bags are notorious for being a little bit heavy, which is why Fendi came out with the Essentially collection, or the lighter range as well, which is a different kind of style, and it's similar but it's got less hardware and it doesn't have the full-on construction in the middle, which is weighing it down. This is already a really heavy bag, I have to say, but it looks so perfect. I love this camel color that it comes in. It really is beautiful. It's got the gold hardware. Okay, so I have attached this strap so I could show you guys, but the inside is this beautiful stripe lining. To me, this is a real classic Fendi bag. Also has the beautiful zipper and the beautiful hardware. Wow, what a classic Peekaboo. This strap looks like it's going to be amazing to wear, and this is a larger bag than my others, so it's for those girls out there that like carrying big bags and they want to carry their makeup, they want to carry, you know, snacks, they want to carry their lipsticks, you know, in their makeup, they want to carry a drink bottle, they want to carry, you know, a notebook, they want to carry their diary, they want to carry an iPad. For those girls, this is the bag for you. I think it came in some other colors as well, like a black. A black would be absolutely gorgeous in this. I'm just so blown away, guys. A lot of people put it in like that. I actually don't like that. I like it to be open. I like this to be kind of flat, not dented in, you know. So I cannot wait to wear this bag. I actually think this might be like my essentials bag that I carry in the car and put everything in. The other thing I will say about this bag is that the first thing I noticed when I opened it and unpackaged it was the smell of the leather. It stood out to me. The leather is so beautiful, so smooth. Like, it even smells now. I mean, a lot of the times there's a chemical smell because of the finish that they use on the leathers. This did not have that at all. I think that I will definitely be going back for more Fendis. I just love the stripes as well. I think it's super classic. And the color is that gorgeous camel color. Now here you can see me wearing this with a full camel casual outfit jogger set, and I got this jogger set from Fashion Nova. I was looking for something like this for a really long time, something that was casual but chic. I love matching sets, and I thought that this would be a perfect marry. I love the fact that this three-piece, I could take off the cardigan if I wanted to, or I could just wear the pants if I wanted to with a white top. You know, it is really versatile. You can see me hand holding the bag here, and you can see that there is a lot of space to actually put it in the crook of your arm. So even if you have the biggest arms in the world, you would still be able to put this in the crook of your arm. And then you've got the shoulder strap, okay, which you can see hangs to a reasonable length on me. I am a shorty. Hopefully this gives you a gauge as to how long this will sit on you. And then lastly, I'll be wearing this a lot crossbody because of the weight of the bag, if I'm using it out and about. But to be honest with you, I'd probably love to just handhold this, as I think this is the bougiest way to wear it. I have seen girls a lot carrying it like this, and I really love it. I find that it's super chic, it's Parisian, it's, you know, all the feels that I'm wanting from a bag I can do with this top handle. I also love that the top handle is quite thick. Like at the top it's actually really wide, and I think this makes for a much more comfortable way to wear it on the arm, I think, because it's going to dig in less. But I'll have to sort of see. I need to sort of have a little bit of a play because it might be too big, but I'm not sure. Even these pull rings, I mean, these are beautiful. I absolutely adore this bag. I actually think I might take out the sides and dangle them. I know, I'm not the type of person that unclips things and keeps them out and dangly, but I feel like this would kind of casual this bag up. I'm not planning to wear this bag for work, I'm planning to just wear it casually, so I think that could work really well. Well, there you have it, guys. What do you think of my brand new Peekaboo iconic bag? If you want to know more about this bag, head to my Instagram or my Instagram profile for more information, and you can get all the answers you're looking for. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I do bag videos every single week and I'd love to have you as part of my community. I answer most of my questions on YouTube, so feel free to leave me a comment or a question if you have one. I hope to see you guys next time in my next video. Bye for now.
Started about the way you look at me, don't you see?